Hi creative friends, Sonia here from Sustain My Craft Habit. I'm going to show you how to make an elegant fall mantle. For this year's mantle, we're going with some non-traditional colors with the golds and cream, and then added some lavender touches in an elegant way. So let's get started, and I'll talk you through it. So I'm going to start by placing the largest piece in the center, and then I'm going to add some additionally larger pieces on either side to give it a nice frame. And make sure that it's balanced with the touches of lavender and the natural wood elements as well. Since we're going with the rustic elegant theme, we decided to add some birch cut branches to the mantle. That way we could add some height to the pieces by layering some of the smaller pieces and giving them some more height. Next, we'll put on some of the smaller details like birdhouses or some candles, and that'll finish it off. We also used a lot of birch elements in a past fall home tour, which you can check out in the link below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment at the bottom letting us know whether you like a more traditional mantle or something a little bit more untraditional. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.